Today I'm going to show you how to enable the like option on your WhatsApp status. This feature lets your friend show appreciation for your updates, making your interactions more engaging. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of WhatsApp installed. Open the App Store or Google Play Store and search for WhatsApp and check for any update. If there's an update, go ahead and install it. Once you're updated, open WhatsApp, navigate to the status bar. Here you can see all the statuses posted by your contact. To enable the like feature, you need to post a status. Tap on My Status option to create a new status update. You can add photos, videos, or text. After posting your status, make sure your privacy settings allows your contacts to see it. Now click on Send. Now here's the key part. While WhatsApp doesn't have a dedicated like button like some other platforms, your contacts can respond to your status with emojis. Encourage your friends to react by letting them know their feedback is welcome. Now tap on your My Status and scroll. Here you can see the views and likes and responses. When your friends react to your status, you see the response. Just tap on your status to view who has seen it and their reactions. This way you can gauge how well your status is being received. And that's it. You now know how to get the like option for your WhatsApp status through emoji reactions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.